I'm Chef Kirsten Helly with Mesa de Vida. You wanting to cook at home more often? How about making healthier meals? Or maybe you're wanting to learn how to make healthier, delicious meals that get the entire family to the table at once. Well, Mesa de Vida is here to help with our heart-healthy cooking sauces and flavor bases that are inspired by vibrant cuisines from around the world, to our simple yet exciting recipes, and our lifestyle tips and strategies that are going to help you live your best, most delicious, and healthiest life. You'll find it all over at mesadevita.com. Now, I know that healthy can mean different things to different people, so that's why I have tons of recipes from all different kinds of lifestyles to help you out. I'm a private chef to professional athletes and people who have special diets, so I have created hundreds of thousands of recipes over the years. In addition to that, I myself lost over 100 pounds, kicked diabetes, got rid of heart disease, when I set out to create a healthier new family legacy and made one commitment, just to simple, healthy, real food. That comes in all kinds of different forms and variations, and what works for one person doesn't always work for the other. So again, I have lots of recipes for all kinds of different lifestyles. All I want to do is to help you enjoy more healthy, more exciting, more delicious meals around the table more often, simply. So come on over to the table of life, click the button down below, up above, over on the side, wherever it is for you, to mesadevita.com. Come explore our flavors and all of the recipes to help you every single week cook something new, exciting, fresh, healthy, get some core go-to recipes that you're going to love to make and that your family's going to love to eat, and discover what'll work for you. I hope to see you over there.